Hi friends, let me show you this new garage tool organizer that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, let me show you what you get. This is great when you want to have a way of having your tools organized, not all the mess around, okay? These are the actual hooks that you can mount on the rails, okay? Perfect. So you put this to the wall, you install it with the screws over here, and you can put the accessories wherever you want them. When you choose where to put it, you just have to do this and press it like that. So that way the accessory will be in the base and you will be able to hang whatever you want from here, okay? So let's try it. Perfect. As you can see, you can use the accessories. You can change them from one place to another. And you can organize your tools with these racks really, really easily, installing them fast and organizing all your stuff. Thank you.